Here I have Suzuki, and let me show you how to use Siri and Suggestions on Apple CarPlay. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen of your Suzuki. Then let's find and select the Apple CarPlay. Afterwards, from Apple CarPlay, all you need to do is find here and select the settings icon on the left side of the screen. Under settings, you can scroll down to the bottom of the list and choose Siri and Suggestions. Under Siri and Suggestions, you've got here two things. You can here enable suggestions in dashboard, so Siri will look at your calendar or habits and suggest destinations like home or gym, or music right on the main dashboard screen. Quite useful, I like to have this enabled, and you can also enable automatically send messages. So normally after Siri detects a messages you wrote, it asks, do you want to send it? If you turn this on, Siri will send the messages immediately after reading it back to you, making the process much faster. You can here also enable or disable Show Apps Behind Siri, so allows the current app to remain visible while Siri is active. So I think that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.